Hey everyone, everything I'm going to share has been verified by the mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry. We're almost there with the fix. You're driving your Kia and suddenly the dashboard shows the message, check door system. The first thought is usually, did a door break? But relax. Most of the time, it's not a serious problem. Basically, the car is telling you that the door sensors aren't communicating properly, or that the system detected something unusual when opening or closing a door. It doesn't necessarily mean a door is physically damaged. The easiest first step, and what many mechanics recommend, is to make sure all doors are fully closed. Sometimes a latch that doesn't click completely due to dust, debris, or a loose mechanism can confuse the system and trigger the warning. Cleaning the latches and making sure each door closes firmly often solves the problem without any further hassle. If the message still appears, a trick that many mechanics suggest is to completely turn off the car, wait a few minutes, and then turn it back on. This works because the module that controls the sensors can get confused by quick door movements or opening the doors with the smart key. A restart allows it to recalibrate. Many call this a soft reset. Now, if the warning persists after all that, it's likely that a door sensor is failing or the control module has an error. Some mechanics also point out that a low or unstable 12-volt battery can cause the sensors to send conflicting signals, triggering the alert even if all the doors are fine. In more complicated cases, when turning off the car and checking the latches doesn't fix it, the next step is to use an OBD2 scanner to read the door system codes. This lets you identify which sensor or module is causing the issue, so you can decide whether a sensor needs replacing, the module recalibrated, or the wiring checked. Mechanics agree that this is usually done at a dealer or specialized shop.